What if the reason you feel stuck, tired, and unmotivated isn't a lack of talent, but a fundamental mistake in how you start your day? Most people wake up and immediately reach for their phone, inviting the thoughts and priorities of 50 strangers into their minds before they've even breathed. They start their morning in a reactive state, flooded with notifications that dictate their mood for the next 12 hours. But at StickSoul, we understand that your life in 2026 isn't built on viral breakthroughs. It is built on the boring rituals you execute when no one is watching. If you feel like your life is on repeat, rushing through tasks just to collapse into bed, you are likely chasing exciting hacks while ignoring the operating system that actually runs your brain. In this video, I'm going to show you how to dismantle your current morning failures and replace them with a system that creates automatic discipline. The first and most vital shift is establishing a circadian anchor. You don't need a torturous 4 a.m. routine, you simply need consistency. Most people wake up at random times, negotiating with their alarm and creating a mental fog that lingers all day. Your brain loves rhythm. When you anchor your wake-up time, your energy stabilizes and discipline moves from a forced effort to an automatic response. The moment you rise, you must commit to the silent morning. Protect your first hour like your future depends on it, because it does. By avoiding the digital noise of social media, you give your mind the sacred space to process and breathe, moving with clarity instead of chaos. Once you've secured the silence, you must fuel the machine. Dehydration often feels exactly like tiredness. Before you grab coffee, drink a glass of water to signal to your body that the day has begun. Follow this with the 2-minute movement rule. You don't need a gym session to wake up your mind. Simply stretch or walk around your room. This works because motion creates emotion. The physical act of moving increases oxygen to the brain, effectively turning on the Wi-Fi for your mental device. This momentum prepares you for your golden hour, where you tackle your most difficult subject or high-value task while your brain is at its sharpest. 1 focused hour in the morning is worth 3 tired hours at night, because your energy goes into execution rather than decision-making. However, the perfect morning actually begins the night before with a nightly blueprint. You fail when you wake up behind, wondering what to do first. Spend 5 minutes before sleep writing down 3 high-value tasks. This clears the mental noise, allowing your brain to rest because it knows there is already a plan. To ensure this rest is deep, you must implement a digital sunset. Blue light from screens tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime, blocking the melatonin you need for recovery. By unplugging 1 hour before bed, you allow your mind to land softly, ensuring you wake up refreshed rather than groggy. The brutal truth is that identity always comes before results. Every time you keep a small promise to yourself, like waking up when you said you would, you build the self-trust required to become unstoppable. Resilience isn't built in big moments. It's forged in these small, daily decisions to do the hard thing, even when you don't feel like it. No one will clap for you while you read quietly or walk alone, but in 2026, your results will speak louder than any explanation. Your 2026 self is watching you right now, hoping you don't quit on the boring work that changes everything. Which of these rituals are you starting tomorrow morning? Comment the number below to seal your intent with the StickSoul community. If this blueprint helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to join those of us who choose consistency over intensity.